Hello everybody. I picked up 4 boxes of the Red Wings Centennial boxes. I know that there's guaranteed 2 autos, 105 cards in a box. That's a great number of cards. Oh, that's disappointing. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of disappointing. Not in packs, they're just in a big old cube of stuff. I think there's a complete set in here, which is fine. And I know that there are surprises. This is not really what I was expecting, though. I'm just going to go through these. I'm not really going to say everybody's names. This is not at all what I thought these were going to be. So I guess I'll sell the other 3. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. This is not, this is a little disappointing. Yeah, this is not what I was hoping for. I mean, Pax would have been so much cooler. Jimmy Howard, Robitaille. He played 2 or 3 seasons. Sebastian Costa's already got a card in here. That's pretty funny. Marcel Dion. I know these supposedly are the complete set. Valtteri Filppula. I'll go through it later and put these in order. Hey, there's Gordy. Nyquist, D-Mac, Eisbart. Scotty Bowman even gets a card. Mo, Ozzy, Bill Ranford. God, I forgot they had him for a minute. Stevie Y. How is Stevie Y's card not number 19? Gary Sawchuk. My mom was actually friends with his son. Caddy for Alex Delvecchio as a kid. Coffee. Stewie, Stu Grimson. I miss Stu. Babs. Joey. D-Boss. Shanny. I miss Shanahan. He was awesome. Kirk Maltby. Igor Larionov. Murph. Dominator. This set's so disappointing. Not at all what I thought it was. It just isn't. Ooh, there's something good on the back, though. Sid Abel, Hronik, Red Park, Talbot, Cobb, Jimmy Carson, Mike Foligno, Marty LaPointe. Keith Premblow, Bernie Federico, Croner, Slava Kozlov, Abdul Kader, Brett Hall, Drew Miller, Berger, Wendell Clark, Terrible Ted, Rick Zumbo, Jason Woolley, Rob Rouse. So here's the specialty cards. So there are specialty cards in here. So the last handful here is a little more unique. So that's kind of cool. Helmer, Paul Eisbart. It looks to be like a silver or gold kind of. Scotty Bowman on the gold. And Moritz Seider on the gold. Stanley Cup. Back to Greatness, Dougie Brown. And Paul Eisbart. So I got 2 of the same specialty card. Oh, this one has a different... This is so disappointing for what I thought it was. My understanding there was autos in here, but I guess not. I should look at the box. Where's the box? Let's read the box. What does the box say? Each box contains a complete 100 card base set and 5 inserts or parallel cards. Well, I guess I should have read that better. They're out of order, which is stupid. If you're gonna give a complete set, just put them in order. I will sell these. I will sell the other 3 that I purchased. Because I don't need... Yeah, that sucks. Anyway, alright, thank you.